So, real talk. How's your morning routine? Do you bounce out of bed like a golden retriever at 6 a.m., meditate, journal, and sip green juice? Or do you hit snooze 47 times, panic chug cold coffee, and sprint out the door with one shoe on? Yeah, me too. And guess what? Science says we're all kind of doing it wrong. Let me spill the tea. First off, why do mornings suck so hard? Blame your circadian rhythm. It's this internal clock in your brain that's like, hey, wake up when it's light, sleepyhead. But here's the kicker. If you're scrolling TikTok till 2 a.m., your circadian rhythm is basically flipping you off. Your body's drowning in melatonin, the sleepy hormone. When your alarm goes off, and you're like, why am I a zombie? Fix number 1. Stop hitting snooze. Seriously, I know. Snooze feels like a tiny act of rebellion. But here's the science. When you hit snooze, you're tricking your brain into starting a new sleep cycle and then yanking yourself out of it 9 minutes later. It's like revving a car engine and then slamming the brakes. Over and over. You're basically giving yourself jet lag every single morning. Try this instead. Put your alarm across the room. Force your butt out of bed. Chug water first thing. Your brain's like, oh, we're up. Fix number 2. Stop chugging coffee immediately. Wait, what? I can hear you screaming, but hear me out. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, peaks naturally around 8 a.m. If you slam caffeine, the second you wake up, you're crashing that cortisol party. Your body's like, cool, I'll just stop making energy then. So you crash harder by noon. Pro tip, wait 90 minutes after waking for your first cup, or swap in a glass of water with lemon. Hydration wakes your brain up faster than espresso. Anyway, fix number 3, stop skipping breakfast. No, protein bars don't count. But I'm not hungry. Yeah, because your body's still in sleep mode. Eating within an hour of waking jumpstarts your metabolism. And no, a sad granola bar doesn't cut it. Science says protein plus healthy fats equals stable energy. Think eggs, avocado, Greek yogurt. Your brain runs on glucose, and if you don't feed it, you'll be hangry by 10 a.m., making terrible life choices, like that third croissant from the office kitchen. Fix number 4. Stop checking your phone first thing. Guilty? Same. But here's the problem. When you dive into emails or Insta ASAP, you're flooding your brain with cortisol and dopamine. It's like starting your day with a roller coaster. Your focus? Ruined. Your anxiety? Sky high. Try this. For the first 30 minutes, do nothing that requires decisions. Stretch, breathe, stare at a wall. Let your brain boot up slowly, like an old computer. You'll feel less frazzled, promise. Fix number 5. Stop ignoring sunlight. This one's super weird, but works. Get sunlight in your eyeballs within 10 minutes of waking. No, not through a window, go outside. Sunlight tells your brain, hey, it's daytime. Stop pumping melatonin. Even 5 minutes helps. No sunrise where you live? Get a sad lamp. Seriously, it's like a caffeine 4 drip for your circadian rhythm. Mornings don't have to suck. You're not broken. Your routine is. Tiny tweaks, backed by boring science, can make you feel like a human again. Start with one fix, maybe the snooze button thing, or sunlight. Master it, then add another. And if you fail, who cares? Tomorrow's another morning.